And this is the custom stupid fast RC snowmobile truck sled thing. It has a direct drive 900 kV brushless outrunner. Part 2, skid steering, install and testing on a 2S battery.
Yeah, let's see, look at the roof. Come on, I want to see smoke. Oh, the wicket broke.
Yeah, well,
The bumper broke.
here we go. Oh, wow.
Yeah, and with that, we knew we had to be able to steer it.
But, yeah, something like that. I'm guessing, you know.
Guess how long this lasted?
Anyway, there he goes again.
I dropped the radio.
Hey, what you got to say for yourself?
Getting properly motivated to break our
Yeah, all right, here we go again. One more try. What do you think, Doc?
I think it's gonna go. It's gonna go like a bat out of hell. It's probably gonna flip over a couple times, and something's probably gonna break.
Yeah, we're hoping.
We're hoping.
All right, there he goes. Look out, Ruby.
Told you it was gonna flip.
Boy, you got a long ways there, buddy. I'll tell you, this guy never ceases to amaze me, the shit he comes up with. And again, thank God for spare parts.
Really?
This is what he does. He gets bored and he starts brainstorming and ends up building something that you're never gonna see again. There it goes. Yeah. Our little ski idea in the pavement just ain't cutting it.
There it comes.
Oh, yeah. Crash number 1.
Is it alive? It's talking. Well, it's
Yeah,
alive.
it's talking. Here he goes.
Try that again.
Oh, yeah. That ski does serve a purpose when he's trying to jump curbs and stuff, like that concrete over there. It's got a lip and... What'd you did? You got poopy on his shoe. Son of a gun. That's a... Yeah. This is quite a unique looking thing, ain't it? Oh my God. Whoa. I hope I'm getting this, because when it gets that far away, all I see is a little dinky dot. And dinky dot. And now, I don't think I got that, but there's the tire and wheel that just flew off. And it was coming straight at me. I sidestepped to miss it. It hit the steps and the wheel come off and
Dude,
the axle nut come off.
maybe that's why it was steering all funky.
Okay, back to the bench.
Tires. Let's go put little team tires back on it.
Yeah, he's still brainstorming.
Oh, this is the finished product. Kinda. We put some little Kanabi grippy tires on. A big old friggin' shoehorn I got from knee surgery is a ski. What do you think, Larry?
I think it's another masterpiece.
What do you think about these numbers that we figured out?
I got no clue.
And you got no clue. On these little ass yellow tires, it's telling us it's gonna go 36, almost 37 miles an hour. You believe it?
No.
Nah, I don't.
This just might be fun. You know?
We'll see.
Woo, look at that.
I'm about to take it outside and check it out right now.
Look at that. Battery light's blinking, I think. Yep. Yeah, that was sweet. Got some air there. Yep. Stuck in. Oh, there he goes.
Pretty fun, man. I can't wait for the snow. Tell you the truth, what do you think, Mr. Dude? Gonna be fun? Yes, I think it's gonna be fun as you bash the shit out of me. Like Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Basically, I think this thing's gonna be a friggin' blast. I don't want to take a guess how many times they're gonna break it. It's probably gonna be broke more than once, and I'm sure we're gonna enjoy it because it's ready to go. Anyway, oh, sorry, doggy, didn't mean to scare you. But anyway, you can like, share, comment, subscribe, or don't. It's all good. Peace.